Hi, how can I help you today? Name's Rusty. I need some repairs. Please, shut the door behind you. Okay, now that we have privacy, what kind of repairs are we talking about? I need you to cut me open and replace parts of me. I'm not sure if I can help you with that. I wasn't asking. I was telling. Okay, sir. Okay, I'll get right on it. Sorry. Alright, so we got all the spot welds drilled out that we need to. We don't have to take these off. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take it off in one big piece. So we're good to go. We got them underneath there. We're good to go. We're working outside today. It's like 70 degrees outside. Sorry about the car noise, but worth it today. All right, so next step, we got this all cleaned up. So the next step, we have to rust proof this and replace this section of metal. We get that welded in, then we have to weld through primer all the spots that got to get welded, and then I will paint the other stuff black that isn't getting welded. And then we got to drill the spot weld holes in these panels and get this fitted up, and then we're ready to go. All right, so we got all the metal work done. Got the new rocker, new cab corner in. This cab corner didn't fit perfectly. It had a couple issues around the door jamb, but the door jamb itself shuts and it's perfect. I just have to do a little bit of body work right there. It kind of sucks, but for some reason it just didn't fit right. I don't know why. I sometimes get that way. Stamps are just messed up with these, you know, rockers sometimes. The rocker though fit flawless. I mean, it was exactly OEM. I mean, you can't tell that I even did anything. So that came out perfect. This will come out perfect tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'm gonna sand this all down, scuff it, primer it, and then Bondo, just a little bit of filler here and on the side, and just a little glaze right here just to smooth it all out, and then sand it, primer, paint. All right, so we're fighting some rain, so we gotta get this done. So I quickly laid some Bondo, primered it. We're gonna start getting this sanded down. Hopefully we don't have to add any more Bondo. If we do, we'll have to do a little bit more Bondo. I'm hoping all we can do is just glaze it, so we'll find out. Let's get to it.
Boys, that looks nice.
All right, so we got the color on. Hi, Mom. Want to say hi?
Michael, don't.
Anyway, so we got the color on, the base. Got 2 stages of base. Now that that's dried, we're gonna get the cure. For stuff like this, we use a 2K clear, 2-part. You mix it, shake it up, and we're gonna lay 2 good coats of this and let it dry. All right, second coat is on. Come on. Time to just let it dry.